got a CP freight headed west here at Dorval on the 4th of April 2024 during a really amazing snowstorm. This is awesome. I'm waiting for my train. I'm gonna get in the shelter here. This is cool. There's snow on that. You can barely see. Not much visibility. All the rail cars are full of snow. And I should have a train coming soon. My train heading east. And this is really kind of a freak storm because it's there's the 4th of April. We've been having some really nice weather here in Montreal, and all of a sudden we've got this last snowstorm, this last hurrah of snow. So the two locomotives up front look like they were ES44s. Kind of hard to tell. But it was kind of cool to see that they kind of had like drop shadows of snow behind the handrails. Neat. All these freight cars seem to be accented in snow. It's really a heavy, pasty snow. I know from having to shovel it this morning. Canadian Pacific hopper cars there with the old moon. The old moon and arrow. The Pac-Man scheme. Sort of a change to see no auto racks, or not auto racks, rather no double stacks, but they're probably on the end. Yeah, no sign of my train yet. And that's it. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trades in Montreal. Oh, that wind is cold. And my train's not there yet. Have a good day.